Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonесoup.com and today I've got another healthy 5-ingredient recipe for you. Okay, so I've got 4 sausages these are thick sausages that I've browned pretty well. They're not cooked through, of course, so that doesn't matter because we're going to keep cooking with the sauce. So just when they're brown, get a can of tomatoes in the pan. So we've got and I'm just going to break the tomatoes up. It's a really big can of tomato. You can use crushed if you like. And then I've got a jar of chipotle chilies in adobo sauce. I'm just going to use half a jar because they have a lovely smokiness, but they can get a bit hot. You can add more or less if you like. And if you can't find chipotle chilies in the adobo sauce, check out the written recipe. There'll be lots of options. So I'm just going to just bring that to a gentle simmer and let the sausages simmer in the sauce so the sauce reduces and the sausages cook through for about 10 minutes. So when the sausages have been simmering for about 10 minutes and they've cooked through, I'm just going to get in my beans. So I'm using some white beans, but you could use chickpeas or black beans if that's what you've got. So just a can of drained ones, or you could use home cooked ones. So I'm just going to stir the beans through and then just bring it back to a simmer so that the beans are all nice and hot. Taste and season a bit more salt if you think it needs it, and then serve with some sour cream or smashed avocado and some salad leaves or some coriander leaves or cilantro. So if you enjoyed this recipe, really encourage you to come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonесoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, you get a free ebook filled with video recipes just like this one. Hope to see you soon.